What is white 7? White 7 is a situation. Okay, white 7 is a situation where the CPR of these names. Okay, you get a white 7 and narrow 7 for all the time frame, for daily, weekly, and monthly. So when it is white 7, it means that the CPR has been the widest in the last 7 trading sessions. So this is a little different. So here it means that this CPR is wide in the last 7 trading sessions. So it can be for the day, it can be for the week, it can be for the month. So if it is a wide CPR in the last 7 trading sessions, that means that the CPR is really wide. And now this can be used for some range bound trading. Okay. You can use you can go short at the resistance zone. You can buy at the demand zone. So that is what is the significance here. So if it is a wide CPR, that means that the CPR is quite wide. So you should be very careful when you're going to take a trade from here. Now, in the same way, the opposite is the narrow 7. So this means that this is the narrowest CPR in the last 7 trading sessions. So there is a very high potential. Based on why have we chosen 7? Because this concept has been promoted by Franklin Ochoa in his book Secret of the Pivot Boss, where this concept was very powerful, and last 7 trading sessions is a decent enough number of sessions for you to consider, and based on your style of trading. So if you are an intraday trader, then you have to look at the daily situation. Now, if I just change this, okay, if I just change this situation, all right, I have to go right to the top. And if I make it weekly, so this entire page will become weekly. If I change this to monthly, the entire page will become monthly. So daily, weekly, monthly are the time frame, and every you get the CPRs calculated at the end of every day at 4 p.m. At the end of the Friday, you will get the entire for the next week and the next day, and then at the end of the month you will get it for the entire month. All right, so now you can see here, now if you make it weekly, you will get the, suppose we were discussing about NR7 WR7. So you have to go down and you will see that these are the widest in the last 7 trading weeks. This is narrowest in the last 7 trading weeks. So this is the difference between WR7 and NR7. And these concepts are used to find out what are the so every time you are concentrating on improving your probability. So you are seeing what is the probability of this particular stock to move up or down or sideways. So that's how you will know. So wide 7 and NR7. Now we are interested in movement. Am I right? And this is very useful. WR7 is useful for you to do some maybe straddle strangle when you know that yes, it is the widest in last so many sessions. So the probability of ranging is so good. So you can do that. Here you can go for a directional play in option, right? That's how you can utilize this particular section.